What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we are back and we are making a smoothie. Sorry for the long uploads and not the uploads that we didn't do. And still Merry Christmas for all of you. So today we're gonna make a smoothie and the ingredients are frozen blueberries, Greek yogurt, oatmeal, honey, any kind of milk you like. So you're gonna also need 1 tablespoon of honey, and it doesn't matter which one you put first because it's already gonna get mixed anyway. So, but me, I'm first gonna put in the blueberries, the frozen blueberries. Now I'm gonna put spinach. Just put this. Okay, I think we used too much wheat because there's so much left. Done. And now I want to put oatmeal. So, there. And now the yogurt or Greek yogurt. And the Greek yogurt. So I'm being very careful so it doesn't spill there. We put frozen blueberries and spinach, oatmeal, and Greek yogurt. So we have 2 ingredients left, milk and honey. I think honey goes in 1 tablespoon. It doesn't have to be exact. So we're going to do this. Good. Okay. There. Now there's only 1 more left. There you go. All the ingredients are in. Now time to close it. Again, just to go over, I'm just gonna say what we put in. So we put frozen blueberries, spinach, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, and milk. By the way, we forgot our mic, so it might be a little bit, the voice might be a little bit low and static. So I think Leon right here, just kidding, this one's paper and this one's real. So I think. Okay, so I need help opening this now, which I can't really. So, okay, done. Okay, so open it now. Shoot. Kind of good. Yeah. So guys, we tried and it was really good. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the notifications so you know so you never miss a video that we upload. This is Azim signing out.